back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Celia. So I was in my bed bored. I'm like, you know what, let me be proactive. Let me be proactive and consistent. I decided I'm gonna film myself doing my makeup, and then I'm gonna do a lookbook. First thing first, I already moisturized and stuff, so I'm gonna prime my skin. I'm gonna use the new Urban Decay All Night Face Primer Long Wear Foundation Smooth Prep. So I'm gonna put that on my skin. And I'm wearing this thing because I don't want my blonde hair to get like foundation on it, so just cover that. I look crazy. Hey, so I'm going to color correct, and I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in Rich Chocolate. I've been like breaking out a lot, so under my eyes right here. I don't know if you guys saw Tati's foundation routine when Scott Barn did her makeup. I want to try it, but I'm scared. But I feel like I want to do a makeup video like that one day. I could try it, but not right now. I don't have the time. It's literally like 9:30 right now, and I want to finish. I'm like this. I like to film in the night. I don't know why, but yeah, it's right. See the undertone? That undertone, the red undertone, is gonna cancel all the dark mark on my skin, hyperpigmentation and such. So that's the reason why I used Rich Chocolate, because the undertone is more red. So now I'm gonna do my foundation, and I've been loving this one, the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in 515. It doesn't look like it's my shade on camera, but in person it does. Going in with my foundations brush from e.l.f. Just gonna dab that into my skin. Next, I'm going to do my under eye concealer. I'm gonna use Deep Caramel, and this is in the hydrating. I have the matte one, but I haven't used it as yet, so I just want to use this one. To contour, I'm using Juvia's Base contour stick. I'm gonna chill out that cheek, like cut that. I'm gonna use this brush to blend it out. Blend that down onto my neck. I've been doing this technique, and I realize it works for me now. Like when it comes onto my neck, my face, it looks like it matches a little bit more, because you know I have a struggle with my face and my neck being the same color, so it kind of fades down now a little bit more. So I'm going back from my foundation brush to kind of blend everything up. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Maybelline Instant Concealer in Caramel. Put a little bit more brightness under my eyes. Upper eye. I'm going to contour my nose and I'm going to place that all the way into my brows. Using the same concealer brush that I used to blend out my under eye concealer, I'm just going to use that to literally blend that out. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline concealer on my bridge of my nose. Since it's lighter, I'm going to blend that out. Going back with my foundation brush just to blend out everything, and then my hair as well. I'm going back in with my brush I used to contour. With my sponge, I'm just gonna, blend my concealer a little bit, just to take away a little bit of that excess product under my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna remove my thing. Wow, look at that. This is the reason why I'm removing. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush now and just try to see if I can blend that out. Actually, let me go in with my sponge just to see if I can blend out that line. I think that's good. So I'm gonna set under my eyes, and I'm gonna go in with my Sacha Buttercup per usual. So I'm gonna put a little bit first before I bake. I'm gonna go in with some powder, set the rest of my face. I'm gonna set a little bit of powder under my eyes. I don't know what I want to do with my eyes. I don't want to do anything crazy. I'm just gonna do a smoky eye, my safe look. This I call this my safe look because I only do this when I don't have anything else to do. We're gonna do this. So I'm going in with this color, and I'm literally doing this just because I want something on my eyes. This is nothing special. Doing my blush right here just to add a little bit more color. I'm gonna go in with this shade. put on some lashes and come back. Okay, so I did my eyes. Well, my eyes. I did my lashes off camera. So now I'm just gonna brush off the excess powder from under my eyes. I'm gonna go in my sponge as well. I think it's blended. Ooh. I'm gonna bronze and I'm using my Becca Sunlit bronzer. This is what it looks like. It looks a little bit red on camera, but I promise it's not that red. I love to bronze. And I'm gonna contour using my kit as usual. I'm blending that upwards. A little bit under my chin. Put some mascara. Put on some blush. I'm gonna use this one, a little bit of this. So these two, I'm gonna mix these two together. I'm gonna go with my usual. I don't think I'm ever gonna use a different lip liner than this one from MAC. I wanna get Court. That's the only one I wanna get, and then Sis by MAC. Colourpop Gloss in Fantasia. I don't know if I should add a little bit more color on my lips. Yeah, I'm gonna add Fuel. Highlighter. I like this one from CoverGirl. CoverGirl been doing its thing, you know. Yeah, but I'm not gonna do a lot this time. Just want a little go. That's it, guys. It's so pretty. I love this. You guys, so this is the finished look. I just added on a little blazer, some earrings, and a necklace just to give it a little pop. So I hope you guys like this video. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as follow me on Instagram. So you guys take care, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.